Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is my country. Let's talk about a very special country, Bangladesh. It is a land of rivers, green fields, and rich history. Many people know Bangladesh for its natural beauty, culture, and hardworking people. Bangladesh became an independent country in 1971 after the Liberation War. The people here love their language so much that they even fought for it in 1952, which is why International Mother Language Day is celebrated worldwide on February 21. The culture of Bangladesh is full of colors. People celebrate Pohla Boishakh, the Bengali New Year, with music, fairs, and delicious food. Traditional clothes like shari for women and Punjabi for men are very popular. Bangladesh has many amusing places to visit. Number one, Cox's Bazar, the longest sea beach in the world. Number two, Sundarbans, the home of the Royal Bengal tiger. Number three, Srimangal, famous for tea gardens. Number four, Sylhet, full of hills and waterfalls. Number five, Sajak Valley, a beautiful hill area with clouds floating around. The food of Bangladesh is very tasty. The national fish is hilsa and people love to eat rice with fish curry. Other famous foods are pita, biryani and sweets like rasgulla and misti doi. Bangladesh is growing fast. It has big industries like garment factories, agriculture and technology. The people here are very hardworking and always ready to help each other. Bangladesh is a country of beauty, culture, and history. It is a place full of love and pride. If you ever visit, you will see its natural beauty and enjoy the warm hospitality of its people. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.